Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Stock Pay. Today, we will discuss what we can expect for Nifty, Bank Nifty tomorrow, and for some stocks as well. And we also go through what happened today, means briefly about what happened today for our markets. So, first of all, we'll look into Nifty. So, if we look into the Nifty, so at the highs, it is having very good resistance at these levels 23,870 to 895 levels. So, as long as these levels are not taken, we can expect some pullback that can be up to a minimum of this level, that is around 23,400 levels. And below that we can expect fall till even 23,100 levels also. But overall it is not going to happen in the same day, but we can expect by second or third of this month these levels. So for the tomorrow what we can expect is, because this is one gap, it is to be filled. And here very good supply it was seen, like the before the previous good rally there was a good supply here, sorry, a good demand was created here, so this will act as another support. So for the timing, means for tomorrow 23,700 will act as very good resistance for tomorrow. As long as this 700 is not taken, we can expect fall up to 23,500 or even up to 23,400 also for the Nifty. So on the upside, we have 23,700 to 730 levels as a very good resistance. So as long as these levels are not taken, we'll try to sell at the higher levels for 23,400. So next we'll look into chart Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you see, it's formed a small head and shoulders kind of pattern. So for tomorrow, we can see up to like 51,800 will act as a very good resistance. And it also closed below this neckline support. So it is 51,000, somewhere around 51,520. So this 51,520 will act as the resistance also. So 800 is this level is somewhere around 51,820. So as long as this 51,820 is not taken on upside, so we can expect fall up to this level, somewhere around the middle support is like 51,000, and below that we can see up to 50,570 levels, like 560, 570 levels. So overall, this will act as a very good resistance for the coming days, 51,525 to 30. As long as these levels are not taken, we can fall up to 51,000, and below that we can fall up to 50,560 levels also. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty tomorrow. And next we look into TCS. So TCS also, with the markets, like it has in very oversold zone, and it has retraced nicely. So it is up to 3,710 it is formed, and it almost like a kind of a bearish pattern formed in the at the top and started pulling back. So now for tomorrow we can expect 3,670 will act as a resistance. So as long as this levels is not taken, this 3,672 is not taken, 72 levels is not taken, we can expect fall up to 3,605, and below that we can see 3,570 levels also. So these are the supports 3,605 and 3,570 for TCS, and resistance is at 3,670 to 72 level. And Infosys, if you see, like when compared with TCS, it is not moved much. Today it tried to move a bit, but unfortunately faced resistance at higher levels and came back a little. So for tomorrow, this 1636 or 37 will act as a resistance. So if this resistance is taken, it can go up to this level. So this is somewhere around 1660 levels, which is a gap. This gap is there, no? This is the gap it will try fill. So 1636, 37 is resistance, and below that we have support around 1620, one support, and 1609 one support, and 1595 another support. So these are the three supports for Infosys tomorrow, and the resistance is 1637 and 1660 for tomorrow. And next we'll look into SBIN. So if you see SBIN, it also formed similar pattern with the Bank Nifty, as it is also like oversold zone. It has retraced a bit. So overall, it for tomorrow, 780 will act as a resistance. So as long as these levels are not taken, we can see fall up to 765. Below that, we can see up to 762 also. So 765 to 762 will act as a very, very good support zone. For any reason, if this is also broken, we can see fall up to 744 also, where the last time the good demand was created. So it is consolidated about almost like a 2 days here and rallied very well. So this level will act as a support, 744, 45 levels. So 762 is 762 765 is primary support, and below that we can see fall up to 745. Next, we'll look into ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank, if you see, again we have very good resistance at 3956 for tomorrow. So this 3956 is not taken. We can means this is another resistance, that is 1346. So 46, 39 and 46 and 56 will act as resistances for tomorrow. As long as this resistance are not taken and it is trading below 39 and 46, we can expect fall up to 1323, 22 levels, and below that it can fall up to 1292 levels. So these are the support and resistance for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and some stocks. Mark the levels, trade the levels, and have a very happy trading day tomorrow.